guys, it's Terry. Welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday, November 1st. Happy November. It is a cold and rainy day today, but we're going to go into our Oceanista box. I believe this is my fall box. This may be my last box because back in September, I emailed them to let them know I was unable to log into my account. I also reached out to find out if there was a referral for you guys, like some sort of a referral program, because I couldn't find anything on their site. I got no response. Well, my credit card was recently hit with fraud, and I had to shut down my debit card. I had to shut it down. And so this box in my account was the payment on file was that debit card. So of course the winter box, I got a notification from them saying, hey, log into your account, your payment failed. Well, I still can't log into my account, and when I do the forgot password, it is saying that there is no account on file with that password, and that's the same thing that was happening last time. So this will likely be my last box. I did send another communication out to Oceanista, letting them know what was going on to the email that they said, if you have problems, email us here, and we'll see if I get a response this time. I did not get one in September, and that's kind of unfortunate. I did like this box. And if they're not going to respond to me this last time, this will, maybe the first one was a mistake, okay, but if they don't respond to me this time, they're not going to get my business, because that's just bad customer service. So before you all go out and buy this box, wait for an update from me, and I will update it in the section to let you know if they respond and if they provide good customer service. That being said, this box is expensive. It is quarterly or seasonally. It's quarterly, seasonally, same thing. But this is the fall box. I was kind of looking forward to the winter box, so I don't think I can get that now. But it comes out to $96 a quarter. So it is pricey. So I'll just save $100 and maybe use that for a different type of a box if we don't have any customer service. But let's get into this box. This one I did pay for. This is the fall box. This is a beach themed or curated box, and I think this one is Hotel California. Yep, the fall box, Hotel California, and I just got this in October. And let me just open it. The box is beautiful, so you can see the inside of the box, and I'm going to keep this little guy handy so that I can tell you what the items are. I did get to customize a couple of things, I believe. I'm pretty sure I was able to do that, so because there was just like a link for that. Oh, it's got this horrible, I hate this stuff. This gets everywhere, all this stuff. So I'm just going to sort of move things around. The first thing that I'm seeing in here is Sundream Coffee, Topaz Milk Chocolate Graham Apricot Roasted in California. That sounds delicious. So some kind of yummy coffee. Let's see if we can find this in here. Yeah. Okay, so I think do I need to grind this? I think these are whole coffee beans, so I'll need to grind it. But it says sweet and balanced, milk chocolate, graham, and apricot. That's such a weird milk chocolate, graham, and apricot. It's like a weird combination, but it sounds good. It says it's inspired by our local surf break. The Topaz blend has the spirit of an epic beach day in mind. It's classically sweet, undeniably inviting, with a creamy milk chocolate-like body with hints of graham and bright stone fruit finish. So this is, does it say the value of it? No. I don't know how much. Oh, here it is. $16 is what it retails for. So there is the coffee. And then we have something else in kind of the same type of container. But this is an Epsom Soak. I could use this. All right, so let's find this. This is by La Bloom Beauty. Let's see if I can find this one in here for you. Yeah. Okay. Coco Epsom Soak. This comforting herbal cocoa Epsom Soak contains a combination of Epsom salt, pink Himalayan sea salt, and Dead Sea salts for the ultimate de-stress and detox. And then it tells you how to use it. Lavender, it has lavender in it for soothing and calming on the nervous system, making it a great alternative for stress, anxiety, depression, and fatigue. Chamomile calms the mind, relieves digestive issues, treats skin conditions, reduces inflammation, antispastic, antiseptic, antibiotic, and an antidepressant. It has vanilla in it. It can be All right, let's try talking again. It can damage skin cells and restores healthy appearance of skin, reducing signs of aging. It will leave your skin feeling super soft. And this is $28. It's kind of hard in here, like the top is soft, but the hard is a bottom block. So hopefully that has not gotten wet. Get down, kitty cat. And I can actually use the whole thing. So I do like to have a soap. Rocky's coming to say hi, and he's getting in my boxes, and he's getting in trouble. We're getting in trouble, baby. All right, next thing, looks like I have clothing. He's literally just jumped in the box of stuff. So this is what it looks like. It's all kind of wrapped up, so it looks like maybe a t-shirt or something. Saltwater heals everything. Oceanista Laguna Beach, California. This is cute. So this is like a little crop top. You can wear this to bed, but I think you can wear this out too. This is really, really, really cute. The little long sleeve. It looks super, super cozy. So maybe I'll wear that to bed. That looks nice. So let's see. Oh, here's a picture of it. They're showing it kind of, you had black or white you could have gotten. I got the white. I think I did pick white, and it's off the shoulder. And that's at $34, and it says, raise your hand if you believe saltwater heals everything. Being near saltwater soothes my soul and calms my anxiety. So needed right now. And they put their own spin on the graphics and the font. They made these exclusively for the members. It's a soft polyviscose blend and a wide neckline that can be worn off the shoulder, and it is $34. That is really cute, and it is extremely soft, so that's exciting. Then we got La Bloom Beauty Lash and Brow Serum. I have some lash and brow serums, and I couldn't find them. I was just literally looking for some yesterday after I washed my face. I wanted to put some on, and I couldn't find it. This guy is $25. So this is to make your eyebrows grow and your lashes grow. So after you take all your makeup off, you just take this and just put it on the you can put it on the top, the bottom of your lashes, and put it on your eyebrows. And it's probably got castor oil in it, and that makes your lashes grow and your eyebrows grow. So here is what the little thing looks like. And again, that is a $25 value. This box typically has about $200 and about 6 to 8 items in it. So then it looks like, oh no, I got an empty thing. So I'm guessing that maybe this just fell out. Maybe this was in here. Hopefully that's what that is. But looks like we got maybe a piece of jewelry. K. Leone Designs. Right, and it's gold, which is my preferred. Oh, this is a very, very delicate, yeah, Christine, oh, Rocky's trying to grab at it. A very delicate little necklace, very pretty. So it's got 2 little ocean saltwater pearls on it. There's the first one. See how pretty the chain is here? There's a little pearl, and then it's a lariat style, and you have another little pearl on the bottom. And I'm guessing that these are real pearls. Saltwater pearls are very, very inexpensive. I used to sell them, and I think that these are genuine. So let's take a look and see how much this is. Let's see, where is it? Okay, so it's the Cala Freshwater Pearl Drop Necklace. So yes, that is correct. And it's made with 14 karat gold filled or 0.925 sterling silver and genuine freshwater pearls. Handmade in Southern Cali. And it retails for $59. So the metal's not real, it's dipped in 14 karat. Over the top, that will wear off, so you do not want to wear that showering and stuff. Freshwater pearls you can take in the ocean and stuff. You just want to keep soap and perfumes and things like that off of your saltwater pearls. So there's that. So then there is one more thing in here. Oh, 2 more. This might have been the missing item that was in that bag. Hotel California, a lovely place. It's just a keychain. Oops, there we go. It's a blush pink and gold keychain. There we go. And where is it? I don't see this one in here, guys. Oh, here it is. Okay, so this retails for $14.99. I wouldn't have paid $14.99 for a keychain from California, but anyway, it says the brass and enamel keychains make The stupid app keeps cutting me off. I'm switching phones today, but anyway, it has a little Oceanista charm on it for just members, and it's inspired by the famous song from the Eagles, Hotel California. So that's $14.99. This was I think one I got to select. This is a bag, and to me this felt a little bit more like summer, not really like fall, but the bag's really cute. And I think these came in a couple of colors. So hold on, let me find it here. All right. Yeah, the Tiffany Twisted Bohemian bag. You could have gotten it in cream or white, like it's cream, or black, and it retails for $69. It did come in its own little thing here. What's it called? I don't know. Anyway, look at, it's a really nice bag. It's like all like crocheted, and then there's a little charm that says Oceanista on it, and then it has bamboo handles. This is like a super nice, I will use this. This is a perfect beach bag to put your purse in, or to put your phone in, and just a couple essentials if you're out in the evening on the beach, you're going to dinner at a resort, something like that. I will definitely use this on my next trip, whenever that might be, whenever we can travel again. In fact, I'll go ahead and put the keychain in it, and the eyelash serum, and my necklace in it, just to keep those safe. And I'm going to take the bath salts and the shirt and the bath salts upstairs in my room, and I have to check and see if I have a coffee grinder. I used to have a coffee grinder, but I think my ex-husband might have kept it, and I definitely am in the mood to try this right now, so hopefully I can try a cup of coffee and see how that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing it. I hope I can do the winter one again. Let's see if they return my email to them. It's the first one they didn't. So I'll see you guys all in the next video. Keep an eye on the description box. I'll let you guys know if, in fact, I'll have the website below if you want to get it anyway, but I'll let you know about the customer service next time I talk to you guys, and I'll update the section here as I get information. I'll see you guys soon. I hope you subscribe. Till next time, guys, have a blessed day. Bye.